Hello scholars, welcome to day 19 of SAT Math Prep. My name is Dr. Jide. Today's video, I will be teaching you how to solve a question on linear equations, all right? So, if a line passes through the coordinates a minus 1 and 2a and a and 6 has a slope of 5, what is the value of a? Now, let's go ahead to the solution. Now, first thing you need to know, what's the formula for slope? Slope is usually given as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula for the slope of the line, in case you didn't know, okay? Now, so if we call this x1, y1, if we call this x2 and y2, okay? So y2 is what? 6, y1 is what? 2a, divided by x2 is what? A, and x1 is a minus 1 equals what? 5. It has a slope of 5. So we use the formula for slope to identify, to find this equation. Then from here we just solve algebraically. Okay. So I have 6 minus 2a divided by a minus a plus 1 equals to 5. Okay. So I have 6 minus 2a divided by a minus a is 0. Then 1 equals to 5. Okay, so 6 minus 2a equals to 5. Then you have 2a equals to 6 minus 5. 2a equals to 1. A equals what? 1 over 2. And that's the answer to the question. All right, so how do we solve this? We know the formula for slope, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So if you call this point x1, y1, you call this x2, y2, you plug it into the equation, you plug it into this equation, you get this, then from there you solve for a, and you get a equals half. All right, if you found value from this video, please make sure you subscribe. Also turn on your notifications for more videos. Also share this video with your friends, your colleagues, your classmates. All right, and I'll see you on day 20. Thank you.